Received an SFX file claiming to be a self-extracting archive but unsure how to handle it safely? These are executable archives that contain compressed data plus extraction code. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to safely extract and use these self-extracting archives. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized SFX file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. Users encounter SFX files when downloading software installers, game patches, or large file collections. Their primary goal is to extract the contents. Since it's an executable, they are often cautious, seeking to understand if the file is safe to run and how to access the files without a separate archiver. An SFX file is a composite binary file. It consists of an executable stub, a small decompression program, prepended to a standard compressed archive like zip or RAR. When executed, the stub runs, locates the appended archive data, and extracts it to a specified location, simplifying distribution. RARLAB defined WinRAR as the main handler for SFX files. For security reasons, Windows requires a known, safe application for this file. Windows may identify the executable, but understanding what it does requires specialized programs. Time to test installed programs. Right-click the SFX file and hit Open with. Launch it using WinRAR if possible. If that option is absent, choose any other application from the displayed list. When your SFX file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here's a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, running the Self-Extractor. Double-click the SFX file to launch the built-in extraction wizard. The program presents a dialog asking for an extraction destination folder and may show progress during extraction. Always run SFX files from trusted sources only as they execute code on your system, with your user permissions making them potential malware vectors. Next, extracting without running. Open SFX files with 7-zip WinRAR or pzip without executing the embedded code. These archive tools recognize the embedded archive data within the executable and extract it directly. Right-click the SFX file and select Open, with then 7-zip File Manager, to safely browse and extract contents without running the executable portion. Finally, scanning for malware. Before running any SFX file, scan it with antivirus software like Windows Defender Malwarebytes or Bitdefender. Upload suspicious files to virustotal.com for analysis by multiple antivirus engines. SFX files are common malware delivery mechanisms, so verify the source legitimacy and scan results before executing on your system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.